Oh yeah, Steve Davis back with another vlog. The Hot Rod Car Show. St. Mary's Mother Day. These are one of my favorite stuff to attend because I've always been into old classics. But these are cool rides right here. Look at these trucks. You got Jeeps. You got another classic right there. Let's go over to this side. Got this one. Got this speaker right here. Got a garage living trailer and this truck. You got any t-shirt. You can buy any one for 10 bucks, which I'm not gonna get because I have enough. Just wanted to take a look. Cool hats. And now back to the cars. These things are amazing. Got a 10 right here. Dad can't pronounce that, but we'll get to that back later. But these all, this one's a nice hot rod. This car's pulling in right now. This one just got here. Yeah, it's this side view of the rides. Oh, Harley Davidson, that one's awesome. This is back from the motorcycle show. This one's the best. This one's a Cadillac, old classic Cadillac. You could put a ham radio in this Motorola thing. This one has lollipops, but I stopped eating candy. This one's a Trans Am. This one's cool. Well, Chad, this one, don't kick the bucket.
Service announcement here. We have Tom's Ford is out in the parking lot. Okay, they're out on a program called Take the Wheel, Help Your Community.
This one just pulled in, and now
$6,000. Tom's Ford is here today.
We're going over to this side now, and over here.
In the back, right near the vendors. Go over there, sit up in front, take a test drive. Speak to somebody if you're in the market for a new car before they really become $100,000, you know. So go see somebody. There's also a raffle.
One of my favorite events to go to is car shows.
Okay, so visit the Tom's Ford setup. Take a look at some of the cars inside the vehicle. Set up a test drive. Maybe you'll know how to do it.
Got Ford deals here. Take it a vlog.
What's up? How you doing,
I'm doing a YouTube vlog.
Oh, cool. YouTube?
Yeah.
I'm about to jump in on the Mach-E and do a test
Yeah.
ride.
Yeah. Say hi, everybody. He's about to do a test ride.
Is that Unique 35 out here today?
You got Tom's Ford in the lot here. You got all these.
I see somebody standing and looking around. How are you? Nice having you out with us today.
Over here, we always sit in Johnny Shine. We always seen that one. Oh. Little Chevy, got a brand Chevy Fleet Line. It's the best one. Got the Bel Air. This was from YouTuber, I don't want to pronounce that. Got this one.
What's up, Steve?
What's going on? Taking a video of the cars. Getting the whole car show. The hot rod show, I should say. It's a hot rod show. Yeah. It's for my continue. So over here is Doug's hair is built not to build. I think this one's a sporty. And over on this side, we got a JFJ Service LLC. Yep, that's Mara Day. It's already half demolished. Oh, check out this Hot Wheels. Look at that skeleton. Look at this creep driving this. His smoke comes out of his mouth. Does it do that when you approach it?
No, I got a remote control.
Oh, I got you, yeah. Oh, you have a remote. It's funny. Alright, we'll go on the other side. Check out the other side. That's the other skeleton. So this is a Hot Wheels Car Halloween series. Alright, where were we? Oh, we were over here. So right over here are these rides. My favorite event to attend. Always been into classic cars. Always loved those classic rides. Gotta love car shows. Got this one here. And over here's another Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels beat that!
And I ain't driving this.
Coming over here now. I have a lot of lots to do vlogs, because there's a lot of cars. Get on this side right here. Now we're coming to this side. And we got more shirts over here. Got some classic hats. These are cool, but I like the wrapping style the best. Coming to this lot, we got more of these right here. I'll stop here, stop here for part one, and I'll do another one for part two.